Pronouns. Pronouns are part of speech that we have in English grammar. In English language, we have 8 parts of speech. Um, we have noun, we have pronoun, then we have verb, we have adverb, we have adjective, we have uh, we have interjection, and we also have preposition, and we have adjective. So these parts of speech are very, very important. Both have a specific lessons of their own, and you have to learn them carefully to be able to apply them in your everyday speaking English grammar. So let's say I want us to talk about pronouns. Generally a pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. For example, if I say I mean, I am a pronoun. I is a pronoun. We, you, he, she, it, they are all pronouns. Okay, let's say if you are talking about pronoun, a word used instead of a noun. For example, I, we, you, me, he, she, it, has, his, yours, mine, us. And so on. So these words are used to represent um, a noun instead of using a noun directly. For example, if I say that uh, I am cleverer than you, it means that I am I am there is a pronoun. You know, who are you? Who is a pronoun. Instead of mentioning somebody's name, we use who, to represent somebody. You know, in sentence form, we can also use these terms to help us. For example, who are you? Who are you? Who are you there? The word who here represent the word who here represent a pronoun. Okay, this is a pronoun. Okay, instead of mentioning or calling somebody's name. For example, if I say James, is that you? It means that James is a noun. Remember that a noun is a name of a person, animal, place, or things. So where we don't want to use the word, where we don't want to use the noun directly, we use pronouns instead to represent that noun. So this is what um, pronouns generally mean. Okay, I can go ahead and give you more examples. Um, for example, if I say, he is my father, or this is my ruler. This is my ruler. Now here, this is the pronoun. This is the pronoun that we have here. This is the pronoun. Or if I say, the man cut himself. Now, here the word himself is the pronoun. Can you remember? So that is how pronouns are used in sentence. Now, if I give example or an exercise here, can you be able to tell me which one is pronoun? Let me say that is the man. Now, that is the man. Can you be able to point out which is pronoun in this sentence? That is the man. So if you mention this, then you're correct. That is a pronoun. That is a pronoun. So this is how pronouns are used. Remember, we say that pronouns are words that are used instead of a noun. So instead of a noun, for example, pronouns may include the words like him, them, who, us, mine, his, hers. Now, also, pronouns are used as complements to verbs. For example, if I say it is I, this means that I'm trying to express ownership. It is we, it is they, and so on. Pronouns are used as adjuncts to verb, and you can use the words me, him, her, us, you to make a sentence. For example, if I say that we saw him yesterday, here pronouns is used as an object to to verbs, and pronouns can also be used as objects with preposition. Prepositions are words that link other words. He looks at me with wonder. No, he looks at me with wonder. So at me there is the preposition that we are talking about. You know. So on. But in the next class, I can explain more about this topic. Thank you so much, and try to play it back. I believe that today you have learned more about pronoun, or you're just beginning to learn about it for the first time. But keep watch. I will bring more examples